So WordArt's really cool, and you can do a lot to it. We really want to take advantage to all the cool things that you can do to WordArt. So first, let's just click on it and change the color of it and make sure it's a solid white. So we've got white on blue. So click on it, go up to your paint bucket, click on white. And then what you should do is go in and change the font to something that's going to stand out. I used ARCHIVO BLACK. You might have to scroll down to find it. Now, when you choose ARCHIVO BLACK, you're going to see that your font gets a little bit bigger and it falls off of your slide. So what you'll want to do is select that font corner or your WordArt corner and just resize it so that way it fits. Slide it around, move it so that way it's dropped into the center of your slide. Then what you can do is make your font pop even more by doing a black edge. Think of it like a Sharpie going around the outline of something. So click on it, go up to border color, and when you click on border color, choose a solid black. Now it still doesn't stand out too much, but it will stand out if you make that a thicker border. So go up to the weight and choose it to be 2 or 3 pixels. We'll try 2. 2 is probably enough for that. Now you can make that font, that WordArt pop even more by doing a drop shadow. And this is more like an advanced effect. So you click on your WordArt, and then from there what you're going to do is you're going to go up and click on Format Options. You have a lot of options there. Put a check on Drop Shadow. That's the only one we're going to work with today. When you click on Drop Shadow, give yourself some more options by clicking on that little triangle and then slide your transparency all the way over to the left, meaning that drop shadow is going to be as deep as it can be. Play around with your distance, but you don't want to get too crazy with that because if the distance goes off too far from the WordArt, it looks way too sloppy and distracting. So just play around with it a little bit so the distance is only off a little bit from the WordArt. The angle just moves it around, the different angles, up, down, to the left, to the right of it. Just keep it wherever you want it to go.